Hi, welcome back to Bride Society. I'm Rebecca, this is Laura, and this is Steph from The Secret Bridesmaid.
Steph is back with us to show us some even more ways to style these luxury multi-way dresses, so stick around for that. We'll link everything below, all Steph's contact details, everything she offers, all the services she provides for weddings, which is a lot, so go and check that out. So enjoy the video, give this video a like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe.
We have Becky in our luxury multi-way dress in our cloud colour. So today I'm going to show you how to do a twizzle strap dress. So if I can just ask you to hold that one. What we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to take one strap and we're going to twizzle it out towards Becky's shoulder, like that. Now I'm just going to bring it round, and can I ask you to hold that firmly? And then I'm going to do the same on this side. Again, twizzling towards Becky's shoulder, and keep twizzling. Now I'm going to take hold of the first strap that I twizzled, twizzle it a little bit more so it matches the other side. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring both the straps around the back into a little cross, back round the front, cross, back round the back, and tie in a knot. And there you have a very classic, simple, elegant look for a spaghetti strap twisted style multi-way dress. So this next style we're going to go for a twisted cap sleeve, and I'm going to need a little bit of help from you, Rebecca, just holding everything in place for a very short amount of time. So what we're going to do, first strap come over, and we're going to twist once and bring it down so the twist is sat on just below Becky's shoulder. So if you just hold that in place there, and we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. We're going to twist, and if you hold it in place again, perfect. And then if we turn around to the back, we're just going to simply pull, cross, go around to the front, cross at the front, and then come back and tie in a knot. Adjust slightly, and then if you turn back round to the front, and there you've got your twisted cap sleeve. So I'm going to show you a knotted one shoulder style, which starts off with both straps out in front. And what we're going to do is put the straps together, bring them up in place to roughly where you want the knot. Take both straps, tie it in a knot without getting your hair in it, pull tight, and then separate the two straps, bring round to the front, round to the back, and tie securely in another knot. And there you have it. Simple.